Welcome to Tips from Tiff. I'm Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you which type of wood filler you should use for your project and why it's the best choice for you. There are two basic categories of wood filler. You have non-hardening wood filler and hardening wood filler. Non-hardening wood filler is best used when you're using it with a finished wood product. If, however, you're planning on staining or painting your finished product, you'll want to go ahead and use a hardening wood filler like this one from Famowood. The great thing about non-hardening wood fillers, like this Fast Cap SoftWax, is that it comes in a variety of different colors, which makes it easy to match it to your stained wood. You can even melt two different colors together to get the better shade if you need to. You can make almost any blemish or nail hole disappear if you use the perfect shade. Non-hardening fillers are convenient to use too because you don't have to wait for them to dry or harden. On the other hand, hardening fillers are great if you have a hole or a knot that's just too big for something like Fast Cap SoftWax. They're also great if you're going to be using it on unfinished wood that you're going to stain or paint. All you have to do is fill the wood with the wood filler, let it dry overnight, and then sand it before staining or painting it. Just remember, not every wood filler is going to accept stain the same way that wood does. Here's an example of some wood filler that was applied yesterday. All that needs to be done is that it needs to be sanded, stained, and painted. Now you know the basics between non-hardening and hardening wood fillers and when to use them for your projects. Just remember, it's always a good idea to practice your wood filler on a piece of scrap wood before you apply it to your project. Happy woodworking, and I hope you join me next time on Tips from Tiff.